Correctly Changing a Tablecloth is an Ender Cafe by Professor Mauro Sessarego. Welcome. I'll show you today how to change a tablecloth without showing the bare table. We will start by removing any object on top of the table, and we place them on the chair back, not on the chair seat. If this is the dirty tablecloth with perhaps crumbs, we will start to fold one end on top of a quarter of it, so that we continue and fold any possible crumbs or any object underneath. We expose about 1 inch of table, so that will help us when we flip the new one. Now I'm going to place the fresh tablecloth, and I place it right on top of the clean part which was underneath. I unfold it, and I will look for the hem part. I want it to be facing up. I want to make sure that the creases, the hem part, is facing up. At this point I'll have 3 layers. One, which is the end part, and the other 2, which is the opposite end part of the tablecloth and the middle crease. I'm going to place my index in the middle so I can hold on to the middle layer, middle fold, and the middle layer. Hold it like a scissor between index and middle finger, and with the thumb I'm going to get the middle crease. I'm going to lift both of them, allowing the end loose tablecloth be dangling. I'm going to sweep it over the tablecloth. At this point I'm going to go over the half. I'm going to grab onto the old tablecloth, let the middle part slide, and with a little bit of shimmy I'm going to loose up the friction. I'm going to pull the old tablecloth away from underneath. Now I'm going to grab the whole ensemble, pull away until I'm in the right position, and voila, the tablecloth is changed. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the dining room.